Hello and welcome to the Ask a Real Estate Attorney podcast, episode 2. This episode is Should I hire a property manager or do it myself? With your host, me, Attorney Brian Pendergraph. Disclaimer: this is legal information, not legal advice. For legal advice, contact an experienced real estate attorney in your jurisdiction. Now, on to the question: should I hire a property manager or do it myself? For most of us, I think the answer is yes. For me personally, I don't have time to run a law practice and manage properties. My time is better spent doing other things like what I'm good at, such as drafting good deeds and evicting bad tenants. Your time is best spent doing whatever it is that you're best at too. Complying with local landlord-tenant laws, housing codes, and dealing with unruly tenants is a job in and of itself. In my opinion, most people are not suited for doing it. In fact, in my law practice, I've had to help many landlords that could have greatly benefited from hiring a property manager. However, feel free to manage your properties yourself. It is something that you absolutely love doing. I mean, if you love doing it and if you're great at it, then by all means, do it. Um, Indeed. That said, there are, on the other hand, there are plenty of landlords that have contacted me because they are unhappy with their property manager services, and they actually want, my help in helping them sue their property manager. So, although there's no advice or wisdom from me that can stop bad property managers from being bad property managers, my suggestion is that landlords, they need to realize that property management contracts are negotiable. I've seen property management contracts where property managers are only obligated to do an annual inspection. Well, a lot can happen in the year. More mandatory inspections will be helpful to the landlord. And property management contracts tend to hold property managers harmless for a tenant's negligence, which they probably should. From a property manager's perspective, is very wise and prudent. However, a landlord should have some recourse if their property manager is not doing their duties, and as a result, the property is damaged. So, in short, I think property managers are great. Um, I think they're worth it, and I also think it is worth the expense to have an attorney review and amend your property management contracts. Unless you absolutely love managing your properties and doing property management and everything that it entails, then by all means, do what you love. Um, and if your property management company is not willing to allow you to throw in some terms that are in your best interest, or they're not willing to allow you to amend the property management agreements at all, then you found the wrong property manager. So find someone else. That said, so that's it for today's episode. And so if you have a question that you want answered on the Ask a Real Estate Attorney podcast, you be sure to submit a question by clicking the link in the description. Thanks for watching.